Hi, everyone. I'm John Di Domenico. I'm a corporate MC and host and comedian and moving my way into keynoting. And I became aware of Jeff Civillico's class on Leadership Pass, and I realized it was something that I needed. I've been very lucky. I've been working for close to 30 years in the corporate environment, but I didn't ever have any kind of a system or a structure. The work came, some years were better than other years, and I was really starting to want and need something that would take me through a step by step process to get more gigs. And that's why Jeff's class is not only a fantastic class, it's the perfect name. I want more gigs. And Jeff's class on Leadership Pass, which by the way is incredible, is an amazing 10-week program that takes every element of your work and makes it better and gives you kind of a roadmap on how to get more gigs. But not just that, how to improve you as a performer, how to improve you as a marketer, how to improve you as a traveler. There's a lot of travel involved in our work in the corporate world, and Jeff has done it all. He's worked all around the world. Just one small thing about, travel. Uh, he's so detailed in this class. He has a list compiled by everyone in the cohorts group of all our different travel things, the things that we use that we can't travel without. So that's just one of those little bonus things you get in this class. And I just mentioned the cohorts. It's amazing. We became an instant mastermind with everybody in the class, and some of us have paired off and moved into other little groups and developed our own thing or done sidebars. It's a wonderful way to develop relationships with people in the industry. I can't say enough about this class. Starting with the classes themselves, they're 1 hour each. They're packed with information. Every time we do a Zoom class, that is saved. You can go into Leadership Pass and you can find it. So if you missed that class or you came in late, all that information is there. There's also other resources that Jeff has put on the Leadership Pass platform that are there, that are downloadable and usable, and they're fantastic. On top of that, you can watch a video, and you should watch the video prior to each class, which is a primer. So you're getting so much useful information out of the Get More Gigs class because Jeff has done it all. He has traveled all over, worked in front of massive audiences and smaller audiences. He's done charity work and international work and major corporations and everything else. And he's learned so much, and he's retained it, and he has put it into a class that you will pretty much cover everything that you need to know to improve yourself. As I said, to get better bookings, more bookings, market yourself better. And one of the really great elements of this class, well, there's so many, but the bonus classes, he's bringing in other people for 30-minute Zooms after the main class. And these people are his vice president, people from marketing, people who do the back office stuff, people who do technology, people who deal in virtual assistants. There's so many different things. So the leadership platform is great. Jeff is great. The content is great, and it's incredibly comprehensive. If you're looking for a way to grow as someone who works in the corporate arena, as a speaker, as a keynote, as an entertainer, as an MC, as a host, this is the class for you. As I said, I've been doing this for a very, very long time. I've always wanted something that kind of lays it all out from end to end. And not only does that, but gives you an opportunity to meet other people in the business, to build your relationships with fellow speakers, fellow MCs, fellow people who are on this road.